Garden ants are omnivorous and have a varied diet. They feed on seeds, nectar, other insects, and sometimes honeydew from aphids.
Garden ants communicate with each other using pheromones, which are chemical signals. These pheromones are used to mark trails, signal danger, or identify food sources.
Like many ant species, they have a highly organized social structure. They live in colonies consisting of a queen, workers, and sometimes drones.
The queen's primary role is to reproduce, while workers maintain the nest and care for the young.
Garden ants can carry objects that are about 10 to 50 times their own body weight. This impressive strength allows them to transport food and materials back to their colony efficiently.
Garden ants carry seeds using their mandibles, which are the strong, jaw-like structures they have in the front of their heads.
They grasp the seeds firmly, allowing them to transport them to their nests or other locations effectively.
This ant is carrying a seed 3 times his size.
He is strong and determined, but the blades of grass act as the most challenging obstacles.
His resilience is enviable.
His courage commendable.
The strength of the ant proves inferior to the weight of the seed alongside the precariously placed blades of grass.
A curious ladybug shuffles past as our brave garden ant tries desperately to dislodge his discovered seed.
After a third and final attempt, the ant is forced to abandon the seed.
Although this betrayal will surely leave the seed feeling worthless and discarded.
She knows that shortly a new brave insect will stumble across her trapped self and triumph where the previous ant failed.
Both the garden ant and the seed learn 2 very separate yet valuable life lessons.
Because of this, although time was wasted, the experience was not a waste of time for either party.